No hablo español. Ensenada for the race. Baja 1000. Coming from San Felipe last night. Huh? San Felipe? Gracias. Made it to Ensenada. Cool, secure parking. Go show you what $100 hotel room costs in Mexico and Ensenada. This is a $100 room, Ensenada. This is what you get. In the bathroom, not bad. Taking a shower already, nice hot water. I'll take it. Can't be that bad. But yeah, I made it to Ensenada. I'm gonna go get some food. Pretty hungry. Walk around town, see what's going on, maybe do some shopping. Buy some t-shirts, whatever. And Ensenada for tonight. We'll go check it out. Today is day 3 of the motorcycle trip in Baja. The race has officially started. Well, I think the motorcycles started first. They started like 5 in the morning. I guess they start them first because they're the fastest. And then the trophy truck starts second. I thought it started here in Ensenada, but I think it started up on the hill where it did last year. These stop signs will sneak out on you, boy. Get some fuel around here somewhere. But what I'm gonna try to do is just get out in front of all these, do a little camping, and catch them on the way out. Is this fuel? These ox is like they're gas stations, but they don't have fuel. So I guess they're not gas stations. But I'm gonna try to get out in front of this stuff so I can catch them as I go. Let me see. See. Every gas station I've been to has high octane. Can you see? There's almost 4 liters in a gallon, so it's like, do the math, it's $4. Just over $4 a gallon. It's good. Bueno. Mucho gracias. I guess I need to pay, huh? I'm getting about 43 to 45 miles a gallon. I'm averaging like 60 miles an hour on that last one, so I can hold 20 liters. I'm just over 700 miles. But yeah, I want to get out in front of the races so I can like see them come through. I'm gonna get out in front of all of them to see the front runners, which are the motorcycles. I think like the spot I want to go to is like almost 200 miles away, but I'm gonna try to get down there. If not, I'll go to Coco's Corner where they're going, so I'll get out in front of it one way or another. I'm probably not going all the way down to La Paz. I'm 700 miles already. This is the Federales. I don't know if they can bust me for lane splitting or not. I'm not gonna try it, I can tell you that. Pass them legit when I can. I guess there's a stop sign here. Oh, they got ARs and shit. Looks like Smith & Wesson. They ain't running no cheap shit. They're turning around. See you guys. And I don't know if I said it, but this is Mexico 1 southbound out of Ensenada, which is basically the Pacific coast. Everybody hustles down here, boy. They sell all kinds of stuff. Alright, I think we're officially out of Ensenada. I might stop by the beach before San Quentin to see where the race is, if the races come by there or not. If it's been through there, I'm probably gonna go down to Coco's Corner. I want to try to get the beach because they're all out balling. I wanted to check Ensenada out, and Ensenada really wasn't that busy. I just got gas. That's the first time they didn't have any high octane. I'm gonna try to cut over to the beach. This is where they run on the beach here. If I can find it. Alright, this says the beach is back here. So we'll see if it doesn't get too thick. See if I can get back to the beach. See the racers. If not, I'm gonna have to move farther down. It's pretty windy. That coastal breeze feels good though. I think I'm in the right area. I'm trying to get down to the beach. Get some shots. I saw this hill, I was like, uh-oh. It don't look bad though. Oh, yep. And it looks like there's racers going through there. Yep. Looks like it's it. Let's get down there. That looks like a trophy truck. So sometimes these trophy trucks will get out in front of the bikes. Especially the Ironman bikes. People that are doing it all by themselves, the whole thing by themselves. It'll take them every bit of 40 hours to do. But these trophy trucks, they'll catch some of them bikes. You see the coast, it's got a bunch of a low ceiling on it. Out over the ocean. Yeah, they're balling through there, boy. I'm gonna get down here though, and I'll take some shots. I'll hang out here for a little while. Hopefully this one ain't too steep. It looks steep. Because if I start on it, I gotta be able to get back up. And I don't know that I can get back up there. I gotta scope this out. Looks pretty steep. Steeper than I want to go. That over there don't look bad though. It's not too bad. I think I want to try that over there though. See, there's two bikes. They're riding together though. They don't look like race bikes. Let's see if we can make our way down this way. Yeah, this looks better. Can actually get down here. And I would say I'm not in front of the race because I just saw a trophy truck and motorcycles go by. There's a trophy truck. I'm gonna park up right here. Tell you what, it's hot, boys. That was a Can-Am, so that means I'm not very far in front. I'm gonna have to jump a lot farther to get some real stuff. Let's go over to the beach. But I'm totally on the course. You can see that. But I put the GPS tracks in Gaia, so I'm just looking at it in Gaia. And I'm right on it. I'm probably not far enough down. Then I'm gonna ride to Coco's Corner tonight. And I'll probably camp there and watch the race from there. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm headed to Coco's Corner. The more I think about it, the more I think I'm way behind the race. That's all support teams there. Coco's Corner is 150 miles from here. So it's like 400 mile marker for the race. I don't know if that'll put me out close to it. I might get in the race, but not the front of it. Alright, see if we can get out of here. But I think Coco's Corner will probably put me in the race, but I'm probably way behind the race right now. I didn't go far enough. I waited too long and didn't go far enough. We'll see what Coco's Corner does for me. It's all live and learn, baby. Trial and error, experiment. And you do it without going over the limits. So you need to know what your limits are, truly. So you don't go over them. What? It's good time, good fun. Bueno, mucho bueno. Look at this shit. Just cars everywhere. Trying to get on everywhere. Policia. These small towns, boy, like, look at this here. There's tacos here, and this place is killing it. Like, you get some of the best tacos you can find. Looks just like that. Running the coast, sunset. It's too nice not to film. It's like, I know it's low light, but pretty foggy. It's pretty cool though. Nighttime running, but this road is awesome. It's a good twisty during the day. Good road. But there's not much to show at night. I'm still making my way south. And I went 235 miles on that, and I was averaging 53 miles an hour. Yeah, this guy sold me gas. Muchas gracias. Adios, amigos.